This is Vedanand Singh and you are most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I hope you are fit and fine. Today in this video we are going to do the exercise, practice exercise question number 406. This is exercise and we are going to do the all the question answer of the unit, and this is a unit name is electronic spreadsheet. So we'll do the question answer based on the create, modify and format charts. If you have the book of Saraswati publication, you can open the page number 406. See, the first question is how can a chart be created using chart wizard? What are the different type of charts that can be created using Excel? This is the complete question. So look at the answer of this exercise question is first is chart is a method of representing or presenting data or information graphically, and by using chart wizard it can be created as below. First step is select the cell range that contains data for the chart. After that, click on insert tab and click on recommended chart. After that, switch between and recommended chart type to look. After that, select the type of chart, then click on OK button. After that, place the chart in a desired position. These are the steps that you should follow to create a chart. After that, different type of charts in Excel are line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, and XY chart, etc. These are the basic type of chart available in Excel. Now the next question is second number question I'm taking. Let me zoom it out first. Okay, second number question is differentiate between embedded charts and chart sheet. Means this is important question and you have to do the what is the basic difference between embedded chart and chart sheet. See, a chart is a place along the same worksheet as a data source is called embedded charts, and the next in this chart the object placed inside a worksheet along the other data means data is placed inside the other chart, but in chart it is a separate chart within a workbook that has its own sheet names. In this chart, a sheet having only a chart and no other data means it have the unique values. There is no other data mixed within the chart. The question number third: how can an extra series be added to existing chart? What is the use of grid lines and legend in the charts? Let's see the answer of the question. On the chart design tab, click the select data. After that, select data sources dialog box appears on the worksheet that has the source data of the chart. Along with leaving the dialog box open, click in the worksheet and then select the data as we want to use for the chart. After that, include the view new data series in the grid line sheet. The grid line sheet is helps to viewer of the chart to see its value represented by an unlabeled data points. Simple, it gives a valuable clues to the viewers. A legend can make on chart easier to read because it positions the level for the data series outside the plot area of the chart. Simply what happens, I can show you. Whenever you see any charts, you would find there are some symbols or colors are there. Means this colors indicates this area, this color indicate this area, and that is known as legend. See, they explain the question number fourth. The basic charts elements in Excel. See the basic elements what are there. Charts area. First is area is there of the chart. Second is plot area of the charts. Third is the chart point data points of the data series that plotted in the chart. Next is horizontal category and vertical, that is values axis along with the data are plotted in the chart. And the next is legend of the chart. These are the basic element of the chart in Excel. Now the next question is differentiate between worksheet and a chart. See, worksheet is a collection of data on a page organized in a cell, and chart is a graphical representation of data in a particular format. See the next 6 number question is what is the different component of chart? Explain. The different component is chart title. It gives the idea about what the chart represent. Now axis title. These are the title given to the axis of the chart. Now the third is chart area. This is the area of chart including all components are here like titles and legend etc. and data series. This is the set of values for which the chart is plotted. The next is legend. This is a small component of the chart which tells the meaning of the different bars, columns, line, etc. point of that chart. That is a legend. The next question is write the difference between the line chart and bar chart. What is the basic difference? See the in line chart and bar chart. First difference is it shows the trends in a data at equal interval. It is useful to compare status between the two entities, person, etc. An example of the line chart is if we select a subtype, it is called select line. See, same in a bar chart generally what happens, it is a graphical representation of comparison among the individual terms. See, in the second point is compare the data uniquely, means uniquely it is compare. If we select a subtype, it is called cluster bar. See here it is select bar and it is in cluster bar. Now the question number 8 is here. Name the various part of chart. The various part of chart is value axis, chart area, chart title, plot area, data series, data levels, horizontal axis, vertical axis, edge of chart and category axis. They are the basic parts of a chart. Next question is 9 number question. It is what is legend? This is the smallest component of the chart which tells the meaning of the different bars, columns, lines, points of the chart as I have discussed you. Now the next is write the step to preview a chart. Means how can you preview? There are some steps are there. Select the data for the chart. After that select insert recommended chart. Then select a chart on a recommended chart. After that then preview for the charts. And then now with this question now I am going to end this exercise. Jai Hind. Thank you.